eto, rwan ta. Nesa ar yn soffa ni yma yn hwb mae Owain Phillips. Wyt ti wedi gweld Owain Phillips ar hacio?
Yes.
Yn holi pobl.
Holly bobble?
Holi.
What does that mean?
Holi.
Oh, interview.
Interviewing.
Interview, yeah, Holly, yeah.
Rottweiler.
Yes, I know.
You could get stuck in there, gofyn cwestiynau.
I've seen him at work. I work with him at ITV Wales.
Oh, do?
ITV Wales News. He does reports for them as well. I've seen him at work. He's a very good journalist.
Yeah, ti'n
Gets to the point.
Right. Beth ydy journalist yn Gymraeg, Matt?
Newyddiadwyr.
Oh.
Newyddiadar.
Yeah,
Newyddiadar.
Rhywbeth fel na. Newyddiadurwr.
Newyddiadurwr.
Journalist. Newyddiadurwr.
Newyddiadurwr.
Reit, felly, gallwn ni siarad gyda fe am bwy mae o wedi holi. Holi.
Holly, interview.
Ac hefyd, mae o'n dyfarnu. Dyfarnu. Mae o'n ddyfarnwr. He's a referee.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Gyda Cynraeg Cymru.
Really?
Ydy, o'n i ddim yn gwybod hynna chwaith, felly
Newyddion dda.
gellu di siarad pêl-droed gyda fo.
Pêl-droed. Football.
Reit te, Mr Matt Johnson, wyt ti'n barod i ddysgu Cymraeg?
Fi'n barod. Douche.
Ti'n slick.
Yes, yeah.
Iawn. Hwn. Mae
Routine.
hwn yn handi iawn, mae'n ddefnyddiol iawn. Routine.
Routine.
Statement. You are.
You are.
So, routine newyddiadurwr, neu you're a referee. Routine ddyfarnwr.
Routine ddyfarnwr.
Yeah,
that's a tough one, that.
Ddyfarnwr.
Everybody at home, right now. Ddyfarnwr. Yeah?
Like the.
The.
Farnwr.
Farnwr. Ddyfarnwr. Da iawn. Well done.
Da iawn chi.
Good one.
Routine ddyfarnwr. Felly, os wyt ti eisiau gofyn y question, instead of saying, oh, you're a referee, if you want to say, are you a referee?
Wyt ti'n ddyfarnwr.
Da iawn.
Wyt ti'n.
Ardderchog. Reit te, nesa, os gwelwch yn dda. Ho ho.
Pam o ti eisiau?
Yeah. Pam wyt ti eisiau is what do you want, okay?
Okay.
Pam o ti eisiau, it comes from oeddeti, iawn? So why did you want?
Ah, okay.
Yn y gorffen. Pam wyt ti eisiau, why do you want?
Why do you want?
O ti eisiau. He'll know what you mean.
Pam o ti eisiau i...
Pam o
Is
ti
it E at the end of
Na,
that?
dim I. Na,
Pam o ti eisiau newyddiadurwr.
Pam o ti eisiau, you need to say, see here, iawn, pam o ti eisiau
Yeah.
bod yn newyddiadurwr, iawn?
Oh, okay.
Why did you want to be
Be.
a journalist?
Fine.
Iawn?
Okay, I've got that, I think.
Neu, why did you want to be a referee?
Pam o ti eisiau bod... Oh, what was it again?
Ddyfarnwr.
Ddyfarnwr.
Gweithwch arno fo.
They're probably loads better than me already. I got Sunday brain. I've caught your baby brain.
Difficult.
Lack of sleep, possibly.
Yn union.
Okay.
Yn union. Reit te.
What's next?
Ar sgrin nesa, beth sy'n gwneud?
Beth sy'n gwneud?
Yeah, or neud.
Can you say neud?
Yeah, just shorten it down.
Beth sy'n gwneud?
So what makes
What makes...
a good journalist or a good referee?
Beth sy'n gwneud newyddiadurwr dda?
Perffaith.
Oh.
Nearly perffaith.
Why wasn't it perfect?
Da, not dda.
Oh.
Dim ots.
Oh, come on.
What's a mutation rhwng ffrindiau?
Exactly.
Iawn, hit
we
me
go.
with it. Ask me, what makes a good referee, Nia?
Oh, what's referee again? There's something, wasn't it? There's... Tell me. Help me out.
Dyfarnwr.
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 Referee?
Yeah.
Ddyfarnwr.
Yeah, that was with a mutation.
Oh, come on.
Beth sy'n gwneud dyfarnwr da?
Beth sy'n gwneud dyfarnwr da?
Wel, ar y nodyn yna, beth am mynd i weld Owain Phillips wrth i waith?